This is Mark from the QuickBooks team. Receipt Capture lets you capture images of receipts or bills and link them to expenses in QuickBooks, so you're always audit ready. Let's go over how you can capture and categorize your receipts from your mobile device, how to categorize in QuickBooks Online if you prefer, and how to set up a customized email address so you or your workers can email receipts directly to QuickBooks. To start, open the QuickBooks Online mobile app and tap Snap Receipt. Fit the edges of your receipt paper inside the corners. A green box will display the coverage of your receipt. Hold steady. If you have an Android device, you may be able to capture multiple images on this screen. You can rotate or crop the photo, or take another photo if needed. When you're ready, select Use this photo. QuickBooks extracts the data from your receipt. You can see this by going to the menu, then Shortcuts, then Receipt Snap. If you don't see your receipt, pull down to refresh the screen. This can take a bit sometimes if the receipt image is dark or blurry. Tap on the receipt to edit it. It's important to make sure the categories you select here are correct. Make any changes you need, then save and close. Then, create the expense or match it to an existing expense if one exists. Once you create your expense, your receipt will move to the Reviewed tab, and you'll see your expense in your books. You can also categorize your receipts on your computer if you prefer. Just go to Transactions and Receipts. You'll see any receipts you snapped with your phone that you still need to review or match them here. From here, you can edit the receipt details, making sure the accounts and other details are correct. You can also upload receipts from your computer or Google Drive. If you want to have your workers email receipts so you can review them here, you can do that by setting up a custom email address in QuickBooks. Note that you must be an administrator to do this. Select Forward from Email, then enter the name you would like to use for this address. Then select Next, verify that your address looks good, then select Done. Select Manage Forwarding Email and toggle on for any users you want to give permission to forward receipts to this address. If you need to add a user, you can do so here. If you want more details on how to add users, there's a video at the end of this one. Users with permission can take pictures of their receipts and send them to your custom email address. Note, they must send from the email address they use to sign into QuickBooks. They can attach multiple receipts to an email, as long as each receipt is a separate image. You'll see all the receipts sent to that email address here, and you can review and categorize or match them. Now you're ready to manage your receipts using QuickBooks Online and the QuickBooks Online mobile app.